everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing a slightly darker eyeshadow look than I would normally ever do. I don't go near the black in any eyeshadow palettes, like literally I won't touch it. And today I thought, you know what Sophie, venture out of your comfort zone and use that black eyeshadow, and I got fallout. So lesson learnt, me and black eyeshadows are not friends, but yeah, I really want to share this slightly different look with you, and if you want to know how I got it then keep watching. Okie dokie, looking crazy, we've got a bit of tape and my Pete Louise base on. I'm gonna go, ooh, Netflix, I'm gonna go into the Kaylee Bible palette and I'm gonna go into the black shade with this little angled brush, and I'm gonna do like a winged eyeliner with the shade Sin. And try and match the other side. Should be interesting. Literally just packing it on. Oh my god. Not filmed a makeup video in what feels like forever. Okie dokie, now that I've done that winged eyeliner with the eyeshadow, I'm now going to go into shade Prophecy, which is this one here, with this chunky brush, and I'm going to pat that in the outer corner and just blend. Okay, so the edges are sort of dispersed a little bit. I'm next going to take this little fluffy brush and go into the shade Saviour. Do that on the inner corner and then to the edges of the dark brown. I really suck at making the two sides match when I do eye looks. I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the shade Veil, which is the bright white, and blend the edges with the white. Since I discovered this trick of blending out the edges with white, it makes blending so much easier, like the bright edges of a look. And I'm going to go back into the black shade Sin. And then taking just a flat brush, I'm going to blend the edges of that winged eyeliner. Okie dokie, so this is what the eye is looking like so far. I'm now just going to cut the crease. Okay, over the outside edges I'm going to take the same brush that I used for the dark brown and go into the shade Prophecy, but also mix it with a bit of Oath because Prophecy is now mixed with the black eyeshadow, so we're just going to darken it up a little bit. Pounce that over the edges. Next I'm going to go back in with the black eyeshadow and just bring that eyeliner back in a little bit. Next I'm going to take a little flat brush and the colour Unruly, which is this one here. I'm going to pat that on the cat crease. Okie dokie, next I'm going to take a black eyeliner. This is just the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D, the mini one that I got as a present, and I'm going to do a really thin line where the black eyeshadow is to make it stand out more. Back in with the brush I used to blend it, just to make sure it's not like a harsh line in the blended area. Use a makeup wipe just to clean up any mess. Okie dokie, this is what the eyes are looking like. I'm now going to pop off camera, do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Back and still looking a little bit rough. I need to do my hair, but I'm now just going to do the lower lash line. I'm now going to take the black shade Oath and then the little angled brush, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corner of the lower lash line, being as careful as I can not to get any fallout, but that literally has just happened. Next I'm going to take the light brown shade Saviour and just blend that and the inner corner back to the black and use it to blend the black out. Okie dokie, I'm now gonna pop my favourite highlighter from Ofra on the inner corner. Look how bad that fallout is. And pop that highlighter right in the inner corner. Okie dokie, I'm now gonna pop off camera, do the rest of my makeup and sort my hair out, and I'll be back with the finished look. I am back and I've just popped on some mascara and some lip gloss, and yeah, the fallout, it wouldn't go. Like, I tried, it's not going anywhere. I just look like I've got a bit of a black eye. So yeah, gotta live with that tonight because I am going out in a second and running late, so I need to wrap this up. But yeah, slightly different grungy look from me today. I don't really do dark eyeshadow looks, let alone use black from an eyeshadow palette. Am I feeling okay? I used black. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turns out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love, love, love to have you back here. My name's Sophie and have a lovely day.